Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to find your CVV on the Chase app. First, it's important to know that the CVV, which stands for Card Verification Value, is a security code used to help protect your card from unauthorized transactions. For most Chase Visa and MasterCard credit cards, the CVV is not displayed inside the Chase app. Instead, you can find it printed directly on your physical card. Pick up your Chase credit card and turn it over to the back side. Look near the signature box. You will see a 3-digit security code printed there. This 3-digit number is your CVV. You may be asked to enter this code when making online purchases, phone orders, or other transactions where the physical card is not being swiped or inserted. Keep in mind that the CVV is different from your PIN. Your PIN is used for ATM transactions and certain in-person purchases, while the CVV is used as an additional security measure for card-not-present transactions. To help keep your account secure, never share your CVV with anyone you do not trust. Also be cautious when entering your card details online. Only use secure websites and avoid sharing your card information through suspicious emails, text messages, or unknown websites. If your Chase card is lost or stolen, contact Chase immediately and report the card so it can be replaced. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.